you are surrounded and supported by the people and things around you. Your family, your loved ones, and the things that matter most to you. But what happens when there's no one there to protect and support them? Introducing Presence 360, a device that can confidently and reliably stand in for you when you're not there. Presence 360 is a device that gives new life to your old smartphone, transforming it into a Wi-Fi home security camera with a full 360-degree view of its surroundings. Traditional security cameras let you see only one static view, leaving you blind to what's outside its visual range. Presence 360 allows you to look all around, leaving no blind spots while you check on your home. It's easy to use and only takes minutes to set up. Here's how it works. Download the Presence app on your old smartphone. It works with both iOS and Android phones. Place it between the Presence 360 arms and adjust for a snug fit. Connect it to a power source to keep it charged. Then, from your personal smartphone or tablet, remotely set up your Presence 360 camera, customizing it to your specific needs. You can adjust your vantage point remotely by panning and tilting within the app, or set up to 3 unique points of view. Presence 360 will automatically cycle through those points of view, providing you with a convenient set of automatic view settings. For instance, point the camera towards the front door. Then set it as your viewpoint and name it. You can adjust for how long Presence 360 should hold on to that viewpoint before it moves on to the next one. Add 1 or 2 more points of view, like the kitchen and back door, so you are always aware of those areas in your home. Put your old smartphone back to work and have Presence 360 stand in for you, giving you peace of mind that comes with having a well-protected home. Presence 360. Pre-order yours today.
I'd like to introduce you all to a very exciting and interesting thing. Now, I've put a lot of thought and research into ways of seeing small and delicate things with the naked eye. As you can see, traditional microscopes are big and heavy. They can only be used in certain places. But now, the perfect microscope has been invented. Let me introduce you to the Nurugo Microscope. It's very easy to use. You can just mount it on the back of your smartphone. There are no cords and no additional batteries. Since it's a small microscope, you can utilize it anywhere and anytime. Now, let's take a look at this small microscope's amazing performance. As you can see here, what can't be seen with the naked eye can easily be verified with this product. And the image is high resolution compared to other microscopes. Let's take a closer look. It's astonishing how this small microscope can enlarge the target by up to 400 times its original size. Nurugo Microscope, not only can it be used for research and education, but it can also be utilized in fields that require a microscope, such as work and everyday lives.
The 2 key factors for producing the high-resolution image are the lens and the lighting. The lens is capable of enlarging the target by up to 400 times its original size. And this lighting technology has also been patented. You can also get video without any additional batteries or cables.
Everyone had an amazing response when I uploaded the videos and images taken by Nurugo Microscope on SNS. If you simply and easily want the best results anywhere and anytime, Nurugo Microscope is the answer. I really like my Nurugo Microscope.
Nurugo Microscope will be your new eyes. Expand your horizon, change your world. This tiny lens is the only one for expanding your world.
Our smartphones. We take them everywhere we go. They help us plan our day, keep in touch with friends and family, and for most of us, they even support our workday. But all these fun functions come at a cost. Battery. Don't you just hate it when your phone runs out of battery? Our current solution includes carrying around our power bank, plugs, cables, and everything else we need to ensure we don't run out of juice. Imagine if there was a smarter way to save your precious phone battery from running out all the time. Something lightweight and easy to use. Say hello to QIUB. It's the world's first revolutionary power bank that combines 3 features into one compact device: power bank, memory card reader, sync, and quick charging cable. You don't even need your USB flash drive anymore. QIUB turns into a memory storage device, and it's compatible with any laptop via the USB port. There's no need to carry around any other accessories ever. Cables are often messy, but not QIUB. Simply wrap it in its tuckaway slot, and you're good to go. How really does the QIUB work? Well, it's a simple concept. Just plug your QIUB into your phone and into the power source. It detects when your smartphone is fully charged and redirects the charge to its internal battery. Unlike your power bank that must be charged separately, QIUB automatically charges itself while charging your phone. So you always know that QIUB is there for you and will never let you down.
Hi, my name is Krešimir. As every busy person, I was often on the road, and almost every day my phone was running out of the battery in the afternoon. Instead of messy wires and power bank, I wanted to have only one small device that can replace the number of phone accessories I have to carry every day. When we started to think about the QIUB, we looked at the existing technology on the market, and we quickly noticed that most of the available devices were not complete and not user-friendly. Together with Pierre, our head designer, we developed the QIUB.
We went through several prototypes to find the best design for QIUB. A design that is elegant, compact and practical. It was so challenging to put all those functionalities together into a small and cool design with a significant battery capacity. It was something that had never been done before. But we made it, and we're so proud and excited to bring it to you.
QIUB is the world's first compact and lightweight device that combines the functions of a power bank, a memory storage, and a sync and quick charging cable. You'll also agree it's one of the coolest looking power banks around. Simply put, it's an amazing piece of technology that we can no longer live without. Let's bring it to the world.
So get yours now and be one of the first QIUB owners.
Solar Tab C, the world's first solar charger with USB-C. So you can charge your USB-C devices and the Solar Tab C's internal battery at maximum speed always. Charge all of your devices using one USB-C and 2 USB ports, the fastest way possible. So you can always charge your devices anywhere. Featuring IntelliSun charging technology and our most powerful solar panel ever. And with the Solar Tab C's built-in power bank, you always have power when you need it. Thinner, lighter, stronger, and more portable. The Solar Tab C covers all your charging needs in one complete package. Always stay powered up when you're on the go with the Solar Tab C. So slim it slips easily into your bag. So light, you can carry it with you everywhere, in your everyday life. And fully waterproof so you can take it along on your wildest adventures too, even if it starts pouring down. Thanks to USB-C and quick charge technology, the Solar Tab C is future-proof and charges all new devices, Android or Apple. The Solar Tab C will charge all your portable devices with our IntelliSun technology. Even your MacBook can now be charged with solar power. And thanks to the Solar Tab C's protective cover, which also works as a stand, the solar panel is always at the optimal angle for full-speed charging, even on a cloudy or rainy day. Always charge as efficiently as possible. The Green Way, future-proof intelligent solar charging that will work with all your devices. The Solar Tab C, your complete mobile charging solution.